my name is Maria, and today I will be reviewing adding colorant and fragrance to soap before pouring it into a mold. Today I will be using Bramble Berry products. I have the Bramble Berry liquid pink colorant here and Bramble Berry tangerine surplus fragrance here. So let's get mixing. So now I am going to add some liquid colorant to the soap base. Depending on how much you add determines the shade. The more you add, depending on the color, the darker or brighter it will be. So I added some drops of pink, and I am going to stir. So right now it's a very light pink. I'm going to keep stirring. I'm going to add some more drops in here to make it darker. It also depends on which liquid colorant you use. This one I'm currently using is from Bramble Berry. I will also have another video reviewing the soap sites. There is another brand of liquid colorant that I prefer more, but we are using this one. I'm gonna keep stirring. Not sure how good you can see it, but it is pink inside. And now I am going to add some fragrance. This is for in order of mine. They wanted scented in a lovely tangerine scent. So I'm measuring out my fragrance now. Adding it. This fragrance will also require a stabilizer. For soapers, it has 0.2% vanillin in it. Even though it is not that much, if there's the slightest amount in there, I include a stabilizer. And for those who are not soapers and may not know what that means, that basically just indicates that some fragrances that have this thing called vanillin in it can affect or kind of change the colorant in soap and how it appears. So some fragrances, some soapers can add a stabilizer too, so it doesn't affect the colorant. So I am just mixing the fragrance and stabilizer, and this tangerine smells great. I am going to pour in these little unicorn molds. This mold is pretty popular amongst little girls. We do have several other designs that appeal to children. I'm just gonna keep filling up till I run out of base. Sorry for the silence. I just like to concentrate a little more when I'm pouring so I don't spill it everywhere, because that is something I have done before. And that's it. I will let this set, and then once it's set, I will pop it out and show you guys the final result.